Buying the best product on the market can be challenging, and well, that's why we are here to help you, and these are our recommendations for the best 6 products on the market. Remember to check out the description below for more information and prices. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim is a great option if your budget is a bit larger. After using the vacuum for 2 months, some of our favorite features are its overall convenience, suction power, ease of use, and easy storage. We found that this vacuum prevents hair wrap on all of its motorized attachments and sucks up every trace of hair within seconds. It did take several passes to suck up the larger debris, but that's fairly common with vacuums with smaller motorized heads. Even on its auto mode, the vacuum was loud to the point that we would avoid using it on boost mode for extended periods. The suction power also translated to some pulled-up corners of smaller area rugs, but it does have built-in sensors, so the bristles stopped spinning quickly when this happened. Shark WV410BL. Introducing the Shark WV410BL Wand Vac Cordless Hand Vacuum, the ultimate cleaning companion for both your car and home. This ultra-lightweight and portable vacuum is designed to tackle all your cleaning needs easily and is equipped with powerful suction capabilities. The Shark WV410BL delivers impressive performance, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. Thanks to its cordless design, you can enjoy the freedom of movement without the hassle of tangled cords. The lightweight construction makes it effortless to carry and maneuver, allowing you to reach every nook and cranny effortlessly. With its sleek and compact design, the Shark WV410BL is easy to store, making it a perfect space-saving solution. The included tools provide versatility, allowing you to clean various surfaces effortlessly. Invest in the Shark Cordless Hand Vacuum and experience the power, convenience, and efficiency Samsung Bespoke Jet. In terms of its functionality, power, and performance on carpet, the Samsung Bespoke Jet puts the Dyson V15 Detect to shame. While it doesn't have the laser on the floor head to reveal hidden dust, and it has a smaller bin size than its V15 rival, our reviewer had one of the best floor cleaning experiences whilst using this stick vacuum. We found that the Bespoke Jet will not just suck up dirt, debris, and hair, it will also mop hard floors, even washing up ingrained stains as you can spray water on them to loosen the dirt first. After it's all done, you just need to press a button to empty the dust canister into the clean station, and all the dirt collected from a sweep around the home gets sucked out in a second or two. We found that no dust, fluff, or debris escaped the canister when emptying this way, which is a huge win for allergy sufferers and those of us who get frustrated when we unintentionally miss the bin when emptying. If we really had to complain about anything, then that would be the extra space required by the accessory cradle Detect Slim, the Dyson V12. It did take several passes to suck up the larger debris, but that's fairly common with vacuums with smaller motorized heads. Even on its auto mode, the vacuum was loud to the point that we would avoid using it on boost mode for extended periods. The suction power also translated to some pulled-up corners of smaller area rugs, but it does have built-in sensors, so the bristles stopped spinning quickly when this happened. The LCD screen on this vacuum offers insights into the runtime, power countdown, and maintenance needs, but the instruction manual provided little insight into properly understanding these features. Tineco A11. The Tineco A11 Hero cordless vacuum cleaners bring suction powers and versatility to your cleaning. The 450-watt cyclonic brushless motor produces excellent suctions. While it's not as strong as a full-size vacuum, it makes quick works of light debris and pet hair. Pet owner will also find that the 4-stage HEPA filtration help contain pet dander. The filter are washable, saving you some cash on replacement filters. On the lowest settings, without the motorized brushes, it can run for up to 40 minutes. That runtime goes down if it's powering the brush. The Tineco vacuums also gets point for the wall storage chargers. It hangs out of the way without eating up any floor spaces. The charger also holds the additional tools, including the power brush, dusting brush, and crevice tools. However, the Tineco has been known to clog, depending on the kinds of debris and the carpet lengths and thickness. Miele Triflex HX2 Pro. If it's an especially flexible cordless vacuums you're after, the Miele Triflex HX2 Pro should do the tricks. As well as working as a standard cordless upright cleaner, it can also work as stick vacuum in reach modes with the wand attached to the end of the handheld's unit and as a handheld cleaner in the imaginatively titled handheld mode. The 0.5-liter Binzon offers enough to handle an entire house cleans, and with it comes a dials at the top which aids in releasing dust from the filters to keep it in good conditions. This may not be the most powerful vacuum we've seen, with a max power figures of 145 AW, but it's still in respectable results for the Triflex HX2 Pros that puts it well in the mix with some of the top performer. In additions, in day-to-day cleaning, it dealt with the likes of pet hairs and hair impressively, and a noise levels of 72 dB from the main cleaners isn't bad at all. Miele quotes the battery lives of the Triflex HX2 Pro to be up to 120 minutes, although that is a best-case scenario figure with 2 batteries in use on the lowest power mode. The regular modes should provide around 40 minutes of cleaning time, given the 19 minutes we got while using Eco, which should be enough time for most homes to be cleaned. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.